rocks. I don't want too bad, too much. So then you can take your brush and clean it off and then move it around a little bit. All right, there we go. Good. Now, all I want to do now to show you is to get your fan brush and add some white to your fan brush with a little bit of blue. I always like that a little bit. I like to tone it down a little bit because too much white just stands out too much and doesn't look natural. I use that for highlights. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your brush and go underneath these rocks to make a few little waves coming out from the rocks. There we go, like that. Just like that. Take your fan brush and gently roll some of this water out. Same with under here. There we go. And under here, under every rock. And pull out in front of the rock. I'm just doing it gently. That's why you're getting these little ripples, which is kind of nice. And underneath here. There we go, just some little ripples going underneath the rocks. There we go. Just take your fan brush and underneath the rocks, underneath the rocks. Good. Yep, and then you can just add a few little ripples here and there. And if your hand shakes, that's a good thing because now you're getting these little ripples on the go. So we think that the water may be moving up towards that rock. So I'm going to take my fan brush and I'm going to touch and pull back, touch and pull back, touch and pull back, touch and pull back, touch and pull back. And that'll get your little waves started. That's going to hit your rock. Touch and pull back. There we go. Dotted there. They had a little bit of a sunshine or something there just for a bit of fun. So I'm going to call that finished. And I hope you liked it. And I hope it helped. And I'll be doing another video soon. So keep your eyes peeled. Give you a little bit of a closer view to these. Okay. And you can play with your water a bit more if you want. I could spend hours at the water, but I'm just going to leave it as it is for now, okay? I have another painting over here that I did. A lighthouse. And this one here that I was showing you earlier, that I just added a few extras to it. And so that's it. Just moving my camera around so you can see some of the painting. So I was just playing with that one there to see if I get some ideas for the one I'm teaching you. Okay, so there we go. Allison Pryor signing off, and I will see you again in the next video. Happy painting!